Good morning, dear children. Let us learn the poem Beauty of Nature. Our planet Earth is beautiful with different landforms like mountains, valleys, plains, and islands. In this poem, the poet admires the beautiful landforms. Now, ma'am will read the poem and explain it. Mountains are the highest. Mountain means a very high, steep hill. Have you seen the mountain? We can see these mountains in the hill stations like Ooty and Kodaikanal. Valleys are the lowest. A low area between hills or mountain is called a valley. Plains are flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? Plains are large area of flat land. Flat means smooth level surface. Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Deserts have sand and palm trees. A desert is a very dry area of land with sand and palm trees. We can find camels in the desert. Oceans have waters from many seas. Oceans are large water bodies. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin. Akin means similar. Now, let us read the poem and enjoy the nature's beauty. Mountains are the highest. Valleys are the lowest. Plains are flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and palm trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin.